Welcome to our video on exploring the different types of yoga. Yoga is a practice that has been around for thousands of years and has become increasingly popular in recent times. With so many types of yoga available, it can be challenging to know where to start. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the different types of yoga and help you discover the perfect practice that suits your body, mind, and spirit. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago. It is a practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, meditation, and relaxation techniques to help improve overall health and well-being. There are many different types of yoga available, each with its unique focus, style, and benefits. Let's take a closer look at the most popular types of yoga. Hatha yoga. Hatha yoga is a gentle form of yoga that focuses on breathing, stretching, and relaxation. It is an excellent practice for beginners as it helps to build a solid foundation for more advanced practices. Vinyasa yoga. Vinyasa yoga is a more dynamic form of yoga that focuses on linking movement with breath. It is a great practice for those looking to build strength and flexibility while also improving their cardiovascular health. Kundalini yoga. Kundalini yoga is a practice that focuses on unlocking the energy at the base of the spine to help achieve spiritual enlightenment. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to help awaken the Kundalini energy. Ashtanga yoga. Ashtanga yoga is a more structured and rigorous form of yoga that involves a specific sequence of poses. It is a great practice for those looking to build strength and flexibility while also improving their focus and concentration. Iyengar yoga. Iyengar yoga is a practice that focuses on alignment and precision in the postures. It uses props such as blocks and straps to help students achieve the correct alignment in each pose. Restorative yoga. Restorative yoga is a gentle practice that focuses on relaxation and rejuvenation. It uses props such as blankets and bolsters to support the body in passive poses, allowing for deep relaxation and release. Bikram yoga. Bikram yoga is a practice that involves a series of 26 postures and 2 breathing exercises practiced in a heated room. It is a great practice for those looking to improve their flexibility and detoxify their body. Yin yoga. Yin yoga is a practice that focuses on long-held, passive postures to help release tension in the connective tissues of the body. It is a great practice for those looking to improve their flexibility and reduce stress and anxiety. Power yoga. Power yoga is a more intense form of yoga that focuses on building strength and endurance. It combines dynamic movements with breathwork to help increase cardiovascular fitness and overall body strength. Thank you for watching our video on exploring the different types of yoga. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, there is a type of yoga that is perfect for you. Remember, the benefits of yoga go far beyond just physical fitness. Yoga can help reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and promote overall well-being. So take some time to explore the different types of yoga and find the practice that resonates with you. Follow us for more updates and content. Thank you.